Daniel Franco, and this is my PowerPoint presentation. These are the first topic: academic research institutions. The Philippines has many academic research institutions, including research institutes and publishing houses. These are four research institutions. One, one is Advanced Science and Technology Institutions, ASTI, a research and development institutions under Department of Science and Technology. Two is Food and Nutrition Research Institutions, FNRI, a research and development institutions under the laws. And three is Forest Production Research and Development Institutions, FPRDI, a research and development institutions under the Industry, four is Industrial Technology Development Solutions, ITDI, Research and Development Solutions under the DAS. And the second topic is role of media in environmental management. In Philippines, media plays a critical role in environmental management by raising public awareness about environmental issues, educating citizens and sustainable practices, holding government and cooperatives accountable for their actions, and promoting environmental policies by influencing public opinion and advocating for change through news reporting documents, social media campaigns, and investigative journalism. And the third topic is local self-government institutions. Local government units or LGUs are local governments institutions in the Philippines. These are responsible for providing services to their respective areas. And these are three types of LGUs. One is province and independent citizens, a level local government. Second is component cities and municipalities, a level of local government. Three is barangays, a level local government. Fourth topic is educational institutions. The Philippines has many educational institutions, including universities, states, and international schools. Universities. Universities of the Philippines. The flagship universities of the University of the Philippines. Ateneo de Universities, as well as universities in the Philippines. The Sun University, a well-known university in the Philippines. The University of Santo Tomas, and University in Manila that were founded in 1611. Asian Institute of Management, universities in the Philippines. Universities of Asia and Pacific, a university in the Philippines. State College, Mariano Marcos State University, and a State University in Batak, Pangasinan State University, a State University in Lingayen, University of Ilocos, Philippines, State University in Tagum, University of Northern Philippines, State Universities in Milan, Romblon State University, State University in the Limaropa regions, Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State Universities, State University. International schools, there are two types. Schools that follow the American, British, French, Japanese, or German curriculum. Schools that offer the international baccalaureate program. And that's all. Thank you.